Hey there, my name is Jazz and welcome to my channel. Hey there, my name is Jazz and welcome to my channel. In this video I will cut my hair. Unlike other people right now in this time, I'm not cutting my hair because of quarantine. I actually always do it myself. I would say I cut my hair like 2 times a year, sometimes just once. And yeah, my hair is very oily right now because for a separate video I am trying the no poo challenge, the no shampoo challenge, and it didn't really work out for me. As you can see, my hair is really greasy, and I'm changing back to shampoo again, so the after will be my fresh washed hair. Other than that, the lighting is not natural light, that's why my hair looks dark, and like you can see a bit of the purple that I put I think like 1 year ago into my hair, but this is probably the part we will cut anyways. One more thing, I just realized you will probably hear the squeaking of this chair for the whole video. I hope it's not too disturbing. Yeah, I guess I can start. Let me think. Yeah, I'm very disturbed by my skin today, and if you're new to the channel, I have atopic dermatitis, and which makes me look really tired. Like my eyes are really red, and obviously you can see my skin on my arms too. I hope you're not disturbed by it, but that's me and my skin condition. Yeah, so first of all, everything I need is just a normal pair of scissors. I just used scissors that I had laying around in my house. Because I like them so much, I'm not using it for anything else anymore, so that I wouldn't make it blunt. Other than that, I have some hairbands and my brushes, and I think we can start now. So how I would start is I find my natural split so that I would cut my hair how it should lay later. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm just gonna brush till I get my natural split out. Would be somewhere around here. I guess, yeah, this looks good. The weird thing is I'm sitting right now in front of my screen, so I see myself mirrored, and it's like so weird to me, because I can't tell, is this my normal split or not? And I'm 100% sure if this is my split, so I'm quickly gonna get up and check in the mirror if I'm satisfied with this, and I'm gonna come back. Okay, it's fine, but there's always one problem. If you cut your hair only based on one split, like when your hair is laying just a little different when you wash your hair, it can be that on one side, oh yeah, here's a perfect example, that this happens, right? And so technically this has to go to the other side of my hair to fit, but I do those adjustments later after I cut my hair. Yeah, so I'm gonna brush my hair as straight as possible. This is, I think, the like 4th time I cut my hair, maybe 5th. So I'm still not someone who is really experienced with it, I would say. I'm just going to lay my hair as tight as possible behind my ears. And it might not seem like this right now because my hair is really oily because of the challenge. But my hair is super thick. So now the first one I always place right under the ear so that it would be really fixed and wouldn't move, because that's the point that it should stay. Oh, I'm pulling hair right now. Okay, I'll look like a child soon. Okay, and this is exactly the same thing what we will do on the other side right now, brushing it as tight as possible and putting another hair in. Something I didn't mention yet, the reason why I'm cutting my hair is because I always tell myself when my hair reaches the middle of my chest, I would cut it, because I don't like it longer than that, because after that, because of my chest, they just like roll up and it looks really stupid, or they get stuck under my armpits and it hurts and annoys me. And obviously since summer is right now starting and it will get hotter and hotter, since my hair is very thick, it will be very uncomfortable. And yeah, all those types of reasons, it's just way more comfortable for me to wear shorter hair, and I feel it suits me better too. Yeah, so I'm gonna put another one. Now I'm just gonna go like, I don't know, maybe this much, like since we have to keep it as straight as possible, so now I have the same length, and now I need to decide how much I want to cut it and place the last hairband. And I will probably cut it here, I would say. I'm 100% sure, let me see. Yeah, that seems fine. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it here. So you should place the hairband which measures where you cut it first as high as possible, because you can always push it down. But if you're 100% sure where you want to put it, just put it like 1 centimeter above the cut line, so that it wouldn't move while you cut. So obviously I placed this higher than I want this now. I'm just gonna push it a little down, and I feel like this is how much I'm gonna cut. Seems like a decent length. When I think about my hair being this long and I'm cutting it this much, yeah, sure, I like it. So, I mean, of course, you have to mention I don't cut right here, I have to cut it a bit here. So technically the part I'm cutting is just this much. Well, it's almost 15 centimeters, but I'm gonna cut it here. So I'm gonna do exactly the same on the other side. And yeah, so this is actually already finished. So now I'm just gonna take my scissors and cut wherever I want to cut my hair. And yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna do the thin side first. And as I said, so that the hairband wouldn't move, cut like 1 centimeter below the line, like somewhere here, so that, you know, it wouldn't move. And yeah, if you're now satisfied how it looks and you feel like you don't want to cut more, you can actually start releasing them. You can just remove the hairbands. And it looks like, I always like to say it looks a bit like wood because it's so hard. So as you can see, there's some things that don't really fit in like this one, but that's normal, that happens. So now I have to ask my flatmate to cut my hair in a like roundish shape on my back. I don't like when the hair is completely cut like straight on the back, so I like a little bit of roundish look. So I'm gonna be back in a while. These are okay right now because I need to tip cut a little bit first, and then for my front parts I always cut like there's in it, so this is gonna be gone later anyway, so I don't mind. So let's get into the most annoying part, which is tip cutting, because it takes so much time and you have to do it, otherwise after washing your hair you will just have like a huge part coming out of here and the rest will be straight. I usually tip cut once or twice after I'm finished with cutting, like after I washed it too. But yeah, let's get into it. My hair looks so dark when it's like wet or greasy. I feel like I look like someone who has dark brown hair or brunette in general, because normally I define myself as someone blonde, like not completely blonde, like brown blonde. So what I'm doing right now, by the way, is what you always see at hairdressers. I get the hair like this so I can hold it better, and then literally just go in at the bottom like this. Maybe angle it a little bit. My mom and my grandma have pretty curly hair, and my father's family side has pretty thick hair, so I got both of that. I got a little bit of the curliness of my mother's side and the thick hair from my father's side, but since curly and thick hair not always fit great together, in my case, I mean, because I can't get curly hair because the hair is so heavy that it falls down straight. So the longer my hair gets, the straighter it is, and I believe the shorter I cut it. Like right now, for example, it will get a more curly now. Yeah, the reason why I cut it like this short compared to before is just to keep myself from the work of doing it more often. And since I don't really care about looks that much, that's the reason why I cut it this short, because I'm fine with this length and I'm fine with that length, but after that point it just gets annoying. And if I make it shorter than this, since I'm someone chubby and overweight, it makes me look like a ball, and that I just don't like. So I always cut here, let it grow to here, and then do the same thing again. And that makes me cut my hair like once, at most twice a year. I need to cut these fronts now, which I will do. I'm so completely full of hair. I'm just trying to not have double layers and like a single layer of hair right now. So where do I start? I usually start somewhere here. And go. Oh no, I got stuck. Okay. And then I really just go slowly down. That's the hair. And now this extra long part is less already too. So camera, focus please. Focus please. Hello. Thank you. Okay, so I look like a wet dog. For people who don't know my other videos, it will look so surprising after, because this looks so greasy, brown and straight right now, and when you see me later after I washed my hair, like how much volume it has and how blonde it actually is, it will look so weird to people. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hair, I'm gonna tip cut a little bit. I think I have one of my hairs in my mouth right now. And I see you to the after. So this is the after right now, and I have to admit I'm really satisfied with it. Sometimes, as I said before in the video, I tip cut a little more, but since my hair is not straight, it's not really necessary. But if you have straighter hair, then you would realize more that some of them might not have the same length, or some of them might be too thick or look too freshly cut. But I don't mind it right now because I feel like you don't really see it too. Maybe if you like lift some hair or stuff, but yeah, I'm really satisfied with how it ended up. I might add some more of these like stair cuts so that I have more of these natural curls, because normally I have more of them, or way more of them, and right now I don't really have them. But I have to admit, it's the next day too right now, because my hair takes very long to dry, and I wanted to show the hair in daylight. But yeah, this is how it ended up, and I hope you liked this video. See you in the next one. Bye.